For these last two questions, the sign of the lead coefficient and the degree, this is all questions related to the behaviors of the graph. So this graph, we can see that the right side definitely is going up. Even though it does all this other stuff, it eventually just goes up and keeps going up. And the left side goes down, 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 down. So what do I know? I know that if the right side's up, then I know for sure that the lead coefficient is positive. The right behavior and the sign of the lead coefficient are definitely connected based off that chart I showed you up here somewhere. Now there's a little thing about the degree I didn't tell you, and that is that there's a connection between how many times the graph turns and what the degree is. And basically the number of turns is always less than the degree. So I actually know two things about this degree. Because these behaviors are opposites, I know this is an odd degree. So I'm definitely not picking this 4 or this 6 or this 8, because if it was an even degrees, these would have the same behavior, and they totally don't. But I also know that this graph turns how many times it turns. It has one turn here, a second turn here, here's a third turn, fourth, fifth, and sixth. So this graph actually turns 6 times. So that means the degree definitely has to be more than 6. So we're basically looking for odd numbers more than 6. So it's possible that this is a 7th degree polynomial or a 9th degree polynomial. And that's basically it. Don't exceed the number of turns. Count the number of turns. Your degree is more than that. And you can tell if it's even or odd based off of these behaviors. If they're the opposite behavior, you have an odd number. If these are the same behavior, both up or both down, then it should be even numbers. So it sounds simple in some ways, but actually when you start thinking about it for the first couple times, it's a little bit confusing. So really try to keep that chart in mind that I mentioned up here. Sign of lead coefficients all about right behavior being up or down, and then the degrees all about these behaviors being the same or the opposite, and then degrees even or odd. So keep those ideas separated, and it's easy, but it takes some practice. So be patient with yourself. Good luck.